In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. If your subtitles are not showing on the timeline or they seem to be turned off, don't worry. This is usually a very quick fix, and in most cases it only takes a few clicks to get everything working again. I'm going to walk you through exactly where to look and what to do so you can re-enable your subtitle track and continue editing without any confusion. To begin, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to your timeline. This is the main area where all of your video, audio, and subtitle tracks are displayed. If you already have subtitles added to your project but they are not appearing as expected, the first thing you want to check is the subtitle track section. In the timeline, look for the track that contains your subtitles. This section is usually labeled clearly and it will appear alongside your other tracks. Once you find the subtitle track, pay close attention to the icons shown on that track. These icons control whether the track is active or disabled, so they're very important when troubleshooting subtitle visibility. What you're looking for specifically is a slashed red chat bubble icon. If you see that icon, it means the subtitle track is currently disabled. In other words, the subtitles are still there, but DaVinci Resolve is not showing them because the track has been turned off. To fix this, simply click on that slashed red chat bubble icon. As soon as you do, the subtitle track will be re-enabled. This should allow your subtitles to show again, and you can continue working as normal. It's a very small setting, but it can easily be overlooked if you're not sure where to check. If you don't see the subtitles immediately after clicking the icon, just make sure you're looking at the correct subtitle track in the timeline and confirm that it has been switched back on. In most situations, though, one click is all it takes. And that's it. That's how to enable subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. It's a simple process, but knowing where the subtitle track controls are can save you time and frustration during editing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.